auditor for Propens. Do you know, guys, what is Propens? Propens stands for Lecturers Professionalism Monitoring. Is the university mechanism for all faculties, academic centers and campuses to self-monitor the teaching activities and the professionalism of academic staff. There are 4 Propens main criteria such as presence, punctuality, dress code, and the use of English language. As an auditor, I deal with lots of documentations. Yes, lots of documentation. Sometimes this manual documentation frustrated me a lot. I had to key in the same data multiple times. Sometimes my evaluations went missing. I lost track of my duties as an auditor, as well as duplication of evaluation records from different auditors. Therefore, we have developed an application that called Mobile Propens. Mobile Propens is a web-based application that reduces the dependency on paper-based documents. Mobile Propens provide user-friendly interfaces, auditor tracking, real-time performance monitoring, portability, eliminate paper usage, and ease of sending reports to the Vice Chancellor of Academic Affairs. Now, let's see how Mobile Propens works. First, the head of auditor will create an assignment for auditors. Respondent will be selected based on certain criteria. To prevent same sample of respondent, Mobile Propens provide a function to check whether this respondent have been selected for the previous semester. Second, the auditor will receive the assignment. They can check the schedule and the schedule of the lecturer, then bring their smartphone or tablet to the class. Their evaluation can be inserted on the spot. Thirdly, the auditor's evaluation will be received by the head of auditors. A special meeting with the top management will be held. The evaluation will be confirmed during the meeting and the result will be submitted to the headquarters. And finally, the evaluation will be confirmed by the HQ. Then the head of auditors will be updated the status of evaluation of Mobile Propens. Then all respondents may print the evaluation result for their promotions. In terms of commercialization, Mobile Propens can be commercialized to all public universities in Malaysia, all schools in Malaysia, government agencies, and private institutions. Furthermore, for your information, Mobile Propens has received several awards such as first place in EPIC 2019 for government sector, top 20 for government sector, and 5-star gold medal award. Plus, we will represent Malaysia for ICQCC 2019, which will held at Tokyo, Japan. In conclusion, our project has achieved all the objectives and comply with the UITM academic circular, COPIA, UITM VC's mandate, and Ministry of Higher Education mandate. Plus, our project contributes partially the achievement of UITM QS ranking. And last but not least, again, we want to stress that our project is an innovation that created for sustainability of academic staff competence.